There's MU on highs right here. Is there an active buyer in here? I do believe there is. I'm going to try to get in long on this MU. 97.30s and 97. There's Uber cracking. So I'm bidding for some MU here and wondering if I need to even go to the like 97.50s. Might need to step up a little bit here on this MU. Gonna step up just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit on this MU. And here comes Uber cracking above, and I want to also be long this Uber. I do like the structure here. The out is going to be below 44.90, 44.80, and the entry is going to be at 17 and the whole. See if we can get some Uber here. MU coming back in and did not get filled there in the 40s. Looking to get filled here at 40 something cents. Got there, long a little bit of MU at 42 cents. Want to get some more down in the 20s. I got some more in the 20s. I have an average of 33 cents. High day is around 98 or $98. So looking for a retest of 98 and to move higher. Definitely don't want to see this below that 97 level again. So let's let it work. Uber looking to buy in the teens and 20s, but where am I bidding for Uber at 18 and yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get that Uber on highs. Meanwhile, this MU is creeping back up here. Uber coming up to new highs and it is running. And I don't think I'm going to get filled there. I think I need to move up to like 38 cents. AMC on lows. Uber pulling back. I'd like to see this buyer step in and just start cranking here on this MU. It's clearing this resistance level. I think it can get there. I think it can go retest highs. There's Uber on new highs. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this Uber down here in the 40s. Here's MU coming. Having a little trouble. I think it can get there though. I think it can get there. It's only 20, 30 cents away. And this Uber is just taking off. I'm down at the 40s trying to get some, but we'll see. I'll continue to be patient on getting that Uber. Very close to getting a partial off here in MU. Love to see this buyer continue to go and step up. Got a little partial off there, right in front of high day. What was that at? 86 cents? Pulls back right away. Like to see this MU try to break above 98 and make a run. It's coming all the way back here. That's just ugly. All the way back down. That's unfortunate. As far as, and there's Apple on lows, which is interesting. As far as Uber, yeah, I want to stay there in this Uber. Gonna let it work. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything else that's going on. BABA, strong move above. Looks like it's clearing that resistance level that's on the daily right there on this BABA. Let me add that resistance level there. It's starting to clear that. Let's take a look at Apple, which is hitting lows, which is odd. And this MU back down here, that's not the action that I want to see. Still going to hold on to it, but that is not the action that I want to see. AMD, Neo's on highs, Pfizer, and Uber coming in. And I might get filled on some of this here. Got filled on some Uber there. Have a 39-cent average. Looking to get more at 26. Uber 45.90s is high day. Let's go ahead and set an alert. Approaching high day. So I have two trades on here, but this MU, I'm disliking how long it's sticking around this area. Really don't want to see it hanging around here very much longer. I'd like to see this MU go crack high day on this next push. I really don't want to see it back below whatever this was down here. And at this point, I think I'm going to move my stop up on MU because I don't want it back down at 97. Uber looks like it's still hanging around here. I'm looking to pick up some more down there. Let's see if this MU can go rerun to highs. Put in a test up there. And this Uber I'd like to see back above 70, 80 cents rather quickly here. This MU having trouble. Really struggling to get above here. So is this Uber. I'm gonna cancel my Uber bids. I'd like to see this run up here. I'd like to see a pushback buyer continue to step in and run with this market starting to pop up. That's going to help. Would like to see MU try to get up to new highs here. Let's see if we can gain the 60s. That's a little better. Can we gain 70s? Yes, we can. And then back down to the 60s. Not a huge fan of that. Here's the 80s on MU. Let's see if we can go test that high day. Here we go. And 94 is the high day. We're 2 cents away. And we have new highs by a penny. And can we get above? No, really can't. We're struggling up here. Yeah. Gonna take another piece off. And this Uber is failing. And it looks like I'm gonna stop out of this Uber. Don't like that action at all. I want to see this Uber get up, but I'm taking some off of this Uber. I'm down to just 100 shares, and I'll stop out of that at 11 cents. I'm just leaving it on. I don't like the way that this is behaving. If it can prove itself, then it'll get up, but otherwise, yeah, I think I'm going to stop out here. And with this MU, I'm down to half my position here. And Uber is just failing entirely. And on this MU, I want to leave this half to run above 98 because I think this thing can go above 98. I did get stopped out of Uber there, so that's unfortunate. Goes and checks the other side of 45. But let's see if let me set an above alert for this MU here. And then for Uber, yeah, if it gets back above like 60 cents back above, I'll take a look again, but that looks like the buyer may be gone. MU stop. The stop is going to be below 95 cents for the remainder of this, but also using the footprint for an exit. So I want to let this thing run because I think it can. And looks like Lucid's on lows. Let's take a look at everything happening here. Baba, Neo, Apple. Apple behaving really oddly. AMD. AMD also. AMD suspect right there if it breaks down to there. MU struggling. And MU coming all the way back. AMD coming in. Let's see what Pfizer did. Holding on. Lucid. Cracking lows. Uber. Nvidia. AMC. Oops. Didn't mean to take MU off of that screen. Pins. MYNZ. Tesla. Snap. Yeah, so, and this Lucid coming in. It's interesting. This Lucid looks very weak here. I'm thinking about trying to get short in the 70s, 80s, 90s against like 20 or 30 cents. I'm gonna try this Lucid against 30 cents. See if I can get short. I do like that. Okay, let's see if this MU can go ahead and continue to the upside here. I should have been probably purchasing more as it dipped back down to this area, but let's see if I can get filled on any Lucid on a pop here. Have some size advertising at 70 cents. I'm up here at 79 cents. See if I can get filled. '73s, '75s. Can it get up to 79? No, it can't. Move down to 74. See if I can get filled there. 73s, got 74s. I don't think it ever made it up to 79. So I have 200 at 74 that I'm short. Now it would have made it up to 79. Here we go. And the low here is 43 cents. So looking for new lows. Meanwhile, MU looking to try to make another run to highs here. Up at the 80s. Let's see if we can clear out. Here's the 90s on this MU. Can we crack through? And there it is. And it's trying to go. And this Lucid down here. Gonna see if I can cover a piece here. I could. And we are on lows here in Lucid. See if we can get a crack. A deeper crack. And this MU looking pretty good. This Lucid holding on to lows here. I don't like that. I wanted it to see a crack of lows. I'd like to see this break down below 40 cents here. And Lucid on lows there. Can it crack, break down even more? And this MU failing the hole there. Let's see if it can get back above. See if we can get a big spike down on this Lucid. It's holding up for now. Don't really like how it's holding up so well here at the prior low of day on this Lucid. And as far as this MU goes, I am going to go back to break even on this. Let's see. Trying to get a sale off in the near 20 cents here. This Lucid just won't come in. I'm going to see how hard it is to get a small piece off here in MU. I'm not getting it. I got it there. And this Lucid, I'm just looking for a further breakdown. I think it can go check the other side of 37, so hoping for that. That's not what I want to see. That is not what I want to see down there. It's just that it's having such a tough time making new lows and so easy to pop. That's kind of what I'm referring to, that I don't want to see the struggle to get lower. I'm going to start lightening up a little bit more on this. I'd really like to see Lucid making new lows rather soon here, like significant lows. And come on, get down there. I have a cover in the 20s and then down near the hole. So hopefully with a little patience we can get down there. And then this MU just struggling at 98, but at the same time not really dipping too much either. So can I get this 30 or this low a day of 32 cents to crack on this? Getting close here, a penny away from lows. Can we crack that low? We did by a penny. That's not that convincing. Just having real trouble getting down. I'm at 28 cents. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm lightening up more. I don't like that. It's just having trouble getting down even a penny or two. Here we are again. Can we get up? And no, I didn't get a fill at 18 cents. There we go. Let's see if we can run a little more. Okay. This Lucid's really struggling to get lower here, and I'm losing patience with it. Gonna start lightening up on this Lucid. Not getting it. This Lucid's not really running. Yeah, it's doing this type of stuff. Not liking this action in Lucid here. Not liking this action in Lucid short at all. It's not doing what I was hoping for. What is Twitter Snap Pins? That's not doing anything. And Uber coming back up after stopping me out. Got to keep an eye on that one. Lucid. And MU, still no reason to exit here. Still have my quarter position on. And I'm about done with it. Yeah, I'm done with this Lucid. Fully out of Lucid there, covered the rest of it. Just never broke down, so which happens. I'll set an alert for low a day. It never really broke down from that 30-cent area. And then what Uber is coming back up here. We'll see what happens here. I'm gonna set a hard stop at break even for MU, but I want to let that piece run. Uber. Let's look at everything. So there's Neo, there's Apple, there's Baba. AMD, Lucid, Pfizer, MU, I'm long still, NVIDIA, there's Uber, AMC, Tesla. This thing still continues to come in. That's TLA, this is junk. I'm taking this off too, Snap. Snap, still hasn't cracked. Beyond, this looks like trash. Pins didn't break down. RBLX. Moderna. Lucid. Uber. Okay, well, I have this MU. I'm going to be watching the footprint for an exit on the runner. Otherwise, stops at break even. What is NKLA? Uber. Lucid. So far, this MU has not given us a mechanical exit on the footprint with a heavy negative delta. We don't have that yet. We have some negative deltas, but not heavy. So I'm staying in the long. It looks like Moderna's crashing the lows. Moderna susceptible here on the daily down here. Not much volume today. Lucid back down. And Lucid all the way back down. Took it off here as it wasn't coming. Now it's coming back down. It's only pennies away from the low of the day. It did put in a heavy positive delta on this bar, so I'm not. It just never broke down. I wouldn't be surprised if it double bottoms down here. Lucid. Lucid on lows here. Nice shakeout. Still no reason to exit this MU long. Still don't have a negative delta. That's heavy. So it's just hanging in there for now. Just watching and waiting here. Watching and waiting. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hmm. Still no reason to exit my runner here on MU. We don't have a heavy negative delta yet, so hopefully this thing can run to 99. That would be fantastic. And Intel just in beast mode. Apple, very mixed. And there's Lucid cracking lows, but just by a few pennies, not by much. Yeah, I'm going to reset that alert. See if we can get some new highs here on MU. Yeah, and this Lucid just wicked and then right back down. Got up to 33 cents. I am at 38 cents. Looking for a tiny, tiny piece off up there in front of the 50-cent level. And Lucid coming into lows. I would love to see a buyer come into this Micron and really start moving. See if we can get this high a day of 33 cents to lift. Start doing a push towards 50 cents and then the whole. But no, second time there. Wow. Hmm. Did get a heavy negative delta on the 9-minute in Micron. In the 9-minute. So the stop is below 70 cents now. Yeah, and this Lucid just struggling to move lower. MU, I didn't get anything off up there. Hopefully it can make a run higher. Go test that 50-cent level. Here's another attempt at 33 cents. Can it lift this 33-cent high a day? And someone's selling at 33. They lifted them. Yeah. There we go. And there I am at 38, and then we're back down to 33, but 30. Okay, great. New high a day on MU. Let's see. My next one's at 47. We got up to 45. Got up to 45. Can we lift that 45 and go up to test 50? Nope. It's 40. What am I at? 43 now? I went from 47 down to 43. Let's look at Intel. Let's look at Apple. Let's look at Neo. Let's look at AMD. Pfizer. And that Uber just, that sucked. That sucked in that Uber. And Lucid not really falling apart, just really slowly. Okay, so Intel, there's Lucid. Intel, just really impressive strength on Intel. Ford looks like it's running for another, I see. Apple, Neo, oh, that's AMD. And AMD looking vulnerable down there. And there goes Lucid, starting to crack now. Now Lucid's falling apart. About to be stopped out on this MU, and I'm out. And that was a really nice trade.